And, one of the things I like to ask clients is, what has worked for you in the past, right? Like when you were a kid, when you were younger, what is something that like helped to bring that like joy into your life? What sparks the joy for you, right? And sometimes folks will like have to think back and they're like, well, I used to do like art. I used to do a bit of dancing. I used to do like, and they come up with all sorts of things. And sometimes it's like going back to the basics, right? It's like, okay, like sometimes it's like, oh yeah, like I used to do like so many different things. Like let me pick
Mhm.
up back that hobby again. Cause as adults, we tend to lose our hobbies and things that, helped us to feel good. And sometimes it's literally just going back to the basics and be like, yeah, like this used to make me feel good. Like, let me try it again and see, how I'm feeling. I had a client of mine who said that when she was a teenager, she used to
Mhm.
do ballet.
Yeah.
And throughout our experience, she was like, guess what, Jody? I just signed up for an adult ballet class. And I was like, yes, fantastic. That's amazing, right? So it's like
Yeah.
getting back to those things that really spark the joy in us. And
Mhm.
yeah, it's really a process of like reflecting on that and getting back to those things. So
Yeah. This reminds me of inner child healing, and inner
yes,
child healing is a very important
yes,
part of healing journey.
yeah.